Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Kraken versus Medusa. We'll explore their origins, unique powers, and legendary encounters. Discover what makes each one so terrifying. We will also consider a hypothetical battle, weighing their strengths and weaknesses to determine a potential victor in a mythical clash. Let's dive into the legends. The Kraken is a creature of immense scale, often described as being hundreds of feet long. Its sheer size and strength allow it to crush ships with ease, pulling them down into the dark abyss. Legends tell of its destructive power, capable of causing massive waves and whirlpools that spell doom for any vessel caught in its grasp. It truly is a terror of the deep. Medusa's story is one of tragedy and monstrous power. Her iconic ability to turn anyone to stone with a single look makes her incredibly dangerous. Unlike the Kraken's physical might, Medusa's power is supernatural and instantaneous. Her snake-filled hair and fearsome appearance are etched into myth, making her one of the most recognizable and feared figures in Greek mythology. Her legend warns against direct confrontation. In a hypothetical battle, the Kraken's sheer size and strength are undeniable, but Medusa's petrifying gaze presents a unique challenge. If the Kraken could avoid direct eye contact, its physical power might prevail. However, Medusa's ability to instantly turn foes to stone gives her a significant advantage in a direct encounter. It's a clash of brute force versus supernatural curse. For more great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.